sir.
Very good morning. First of all, introduce yourself.
Sir, first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. I am Rajat. I belong to Sonipat district of Haryana, but currently I am residing in Karnal. I
Okay.
study in class 9. I study in class 9. My father name is Surendra Singh and he is a retired army man. My mother's name is Poonam Devi and she is a housewife. My hobbies are playing football and doing physical exercise. My aim is to become an Indian Army officer and serve my country. So that's all about me.
Okay. So, as you are saying that you want your hobby is to play football.
Yes, sir.
Name any player that has recently made any achievement.
Yes, sir. Recently, Sunil Chhetri team, the Indian team has won against Nepal,
Okay.
and it's a very major achievement of the Indian football team. And other famous player of football who
Hmm.
I admire is Cristiano Ronaldo, Lionel Messi, and Neymar Jr.
Okay. So, Lionel Messi is from which country?
Sir, Lionel Messi is from Argentina.
Okay. So, tell me about your strength and weaknesses.
Sir, as far as I'm concerned about my strengths are that I'm a disciplined, dedicated, and punctual boy, especially towards my academics. Also, my friends say that I have a versatile personality. My weakness are that I am too much loyal towards my work.
Is it a weakness or a strength?
Yes, sir, we should be loyal to our work, but sometimes it can be harmful to us as we should also sometimes, for example, if our friend is giving us too much work, we should also be able to say no to him. Otherwise, we will not be able to do our work as well.
Okay. Any second weakness?
Yes, sir, I need to improve my handwriting.
Okay. And what are you doing to improve your handwriting?
Sir, daily I'm writing a paragraph in English to improve my handwriting.
Okay. So, what are the qualities that make you fit for RMS?
Sir, I am a very dedicated and punctual boy, and especially towards my academics. Also, I will take part in other co-curricular activities.
Okay. So, what is your favorite subject and why?
So my favorite subject is math because it's great fun and I enjoy figuring out the relationship between numbers when I'm solving equation. Also, I think math is very useful in our everyday life and it can also help me in my future career.
Okay. So, how mathematics helps you in your everyday life? Any example?
Yes, sir. For example, whenever we go to the shop, the shopkeeper calculate the total amount of the goods purchased, and it's a very common example where the mathematics is used. Also, also whenever uh, other examples are like,
Okay. Any specific topic you like in mathematics?
yes, sir. I enjoy solving algebraic equation.
Example some of the field in which you can use this in future.
So there are various fields like the computer and science field, and as the computer also uses maths
Hmm.
and other like in business, maths is used, and for example in trade and communication, maths is used, and there are many other fields also.
Okay. So, as you told me that your father belongs to an army background,
Yes, sir.
what is his actual post?
So my father is an ex-serviceman.
Okay. So, what was his equivalent rank?
So my father was a Naib Subedar.
Okay. So, can you define the order in army?
Yes, sir. So if we talk about the non-commissioned ranks, starting from the ascending order, Sipahi, Last Nayak, Nayak, Havaldar, Naib Subedar, Subedar, and Subedar Major. And if we talk about the commissioned rank, starting from ascending order, Lieutenant, Major, Captain, Lieutenant Colonel, Colonel, Brigadier, Major General, Lieutenant General, and General.
Okay. So, have you heard about Article 370 and 35A?
Yes, sir, I have heard about these articles.
Uh, what do you know about them?
So I know that these articles were uh, applied on the Jammu and Kashmir, and they were given some special privileges. Now these special privileges have been removed, and Jammu and Kashmir has now become a state of India, where people now can set up industries, and people can go for tourism sites. And means firstly it was treated like a different state, but now it's a part of our India.
Okay, now it is part as an integral part of our country. Okay,
Yes,
have
sir.
you known about a ship named as Ever Given? It was
Yes, sir, I
recently
have
in
heard about
news.
that ship.
It was recently in news. Why?
Sir, that Evergreen ship was stuck in the Suez Canal, and the at it stopped must more a large part of the world trade, and it affected the economy of many countries because Suez Canal is a very important canal for the transportation of goods from Asia to Europe and many other countries. And because of this, there was an economic crisis in many other countries. But in around 6 to 7 days, this ship was removed from the Suez Canal,
Okay,
and now the
so
trade has continued.
okay, so after removing Article 375 and 35A, Jammu and Kashmir is a now state or union territory.
So now Jammu and Kashmir, there are two union territories, Ladakh and Jammu.
Okay, so Jammu and Kashmir, a union territory, is governed by CM or Lieutenant Governor.
The lieutenant government.
Okay, so who was the first Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir?
So I say I don't know the answer.
Okay, he is Girish Chandra Murmu. Okay,
Okay, sir.
your
Thanks for updating
favorite,
my knowledge.
welcome. Have you ever heard about Oxygen Express?
Yes, sir.
What was it?
Sir, it was developed by the Ministry of Railway of India.
Okay, who is the Chief of Defense Staff?
So the Chief of Defense Staff is ex-General Bipin Rawat.
Okay, and who is the Chief of Army Staff?
So the Chief of Army Staff is Manoj Mukund Narwane.
Okay, now we can proceed that tell me about your current affairs. Do you like to read newspaper or watching news channels?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let me know about two important news you have heard recently.
Uh, so I can't recall now.
Okay, recently it was Diwali, and you have heard a lot about air quality
Yes, sir.
index. Okay, so what is air quality index and how it is defined?
So the air quality index refers to the quality of the air around us. And as now Diwali was there, so there was a lot of pollution, and the air quality index was very low, which is a
Very low
very
or high?
uh,
It was high.
high. So I say
Okay,
it was high, and it is very harmful for us.
okay. So, do you recall any organization who calculate this? Any organization that assumes that this is harm, or what are the categories, or which are the gas responsible for this?
No, sir.
Okay. So basically 8 gas that are responsible for air quality, just like carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, particulated matter, etc., etc.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so with the last question, have you know about Artemis program? Do you know anything about Artemis program?
No, sir.
Okay, it was a program by NASA, and they are planning for first female on moon by 2024. Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you for updating my knowledge.
welcome. Okay, you may leave.